Hello everyone, in this video I will cover parameterized constructor. The syntax for parameterized constructor is class name which takes some parameter or arguments. In case of default constructor, we can have only one default constructor for a given class. But unlike default constructor, with parameterized constructor, we can have more than one parameterized constructors for a given class. We can define multiple parameterized constructor based on total number of arguments passed and based on different types of arguments passed. Now let's declare one more parameterized constructor which differs in total number of arguments. Class name which takes two parameters as argument. Now let's declare another parameterized constructor which differs in type of arguments passed. Class name which takes two arguments but with different types. So all these are different definitions of parameterized constructors. Let's define all these constructors and call them. In output we can see these three parameterized constructors gets invoked for these three objects. Now let's summarize all the discussions. Parameterized constructor is a constructor which takes some parameters or arguments. With parameterized constructor, we can define more than one parameterized constructors based on total number of arguments and different types of arguments passed. Before I wrap up this video, a quick question for you. Let me know in the comment section below if this statement is a parameterized constructor or a default constructor. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.